morning, everyone. I hardly do morning videos, but here I am this morning off from work and decided to make some nice creamy scrambled eggs. So I'm going to be using for this recipe some eggs. I have here 6 eggs, and these are medium eggs. So I'm going to be using 6 medium eggs for this recipe. I'm going to be using some cheese, some cube cheese. I have here some milk, 1/4 cup of milk, some salt, black pepper, chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of butter, some chopped chive or green onions, and that's all you need. So for you young folks who are home and, you know, in this lockdown, I know you might have classes and stuff like that, and you want to make a real fast breakfast, this is the place to be, at Andrea's Trini Kitchen. So here we go with the recipe. So in a bowl, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack these eggs one at a time. And the reason why I'm cracking it one at a time is to make sure that it doesn't have any shell or anything like that in the eggs. Okay, and also that the egg is in good condition. It doesn't have any, it's not rotted or anything like that. So you want to crack the eggs, 6 of them. There, guys, creamy scrambled eggs. For those of you who have now tuned into my channel, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Andrea from Andrea's Trini Show, and here I am doing some creamy scrambled eggs. So you're going to add the milk to the egg mixture. Keep on combining. You're going to add salt. And also the black pepper. You know, this is a very simple recipe for those of you who are home. This is how you make creamy eggs, creamy scrambled eggs, okay? So after you have whisked this thoroughly, you want to add this to a heated skillet. So I have this skillet here on low heat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the butter. In the meantime, I continue to whisk the eggs until the butter is completely melted. The reason why I lift the skillet from above the stove, you don't want that butter to get a discoloration. The heat is going to completely melt this butter. Okay, so find that it's melted enough. You add the egg mixture to the skillet. You add the egg mixture, increase the heat just a little. And you're going to cook this as the egg begin to cook in the bottom. You're going to lift the area that has been cooked and allowing the area that is not cooked to be cooked. So let it just flow into that area. I want to thank my subscribers for hitting almost the 2000K line. I appreciate you guys so much. I really, really do. And thanks for viewing and leaving lovely comments in my comment box. Don't forget to smash that like button. And also subscribe to my beautiful channel. So this is how I'm doing today. Creamy scrambled eggs. So while it's like this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the cube cheese. Cube cheese, also chive. And you gotta wait until the cheese is melted. Combine it together. Wait until the cheese is melted. It smells so good already, and this is a very, very nutritious meal. Now look how lovely this is. The cheese has completely melted in this nice egg mixture. So what I'm going to do, because this is the end product of it, I'm going to sprinkle some parsley, chopped parsley, and serve it today with some bagels or some croissant, anyone I choose to eat. So this is the end product of my creamy cheese. This is the end product of my creamy scrambled eggs. So I hope you like what you have seen. Like, comment, and share my videos with family and friends. And hit that subscribe button. See you again and be safe. Bye.